Magical experience with the deers of Nara Park. We really enjoyed this one-of-a-kind experience. There are deers all over the beautiful and quiet location. Take note, no entrance fee and admission is free. As you enter the park, may makikita na kayo na signages, the do's and don'ts when you feed them. So wag maging pasaway. You can see an old lady selling the deer crackers. Yung nabilhan ko pa nga, medyo masungit. Hindi niya tinanggap yung mga binayad ko na 10 yen coins. Pinaalis at pinalayas niya ako. Award, carjack si Lola. Usually it costs 200 yen per pack. Some deers are friendly, some become a bit aggressive habang pinapakain mo. Usually they are the male ones with horns. Pero putol naman na yung sungay nila, so nothing to be scared of. And most of them maamo and tamed. For our 2024 Japan trip, Nara has special place in our hearts. The magical interaction with the cute, gentle, and fluffy deers, the serenity vibe of the park is a great place to relax and rest.